Hello, Jesse from Sunrise here. I just want to thank you for coming in, taking a look at the Buick Cascada. As you can see right now, I'm actually driving in the Cascada. I'm currently going 30 miles an hour, and as you can tell, I don't have to shout and yell, and we're able to hold a great conversation. So just another great selling feature. We've got the windscreen there. You can take a look at that quick screen if you just want to show them the windscreen there. You'll notice when that's up, it drastically reduces the wind noise and any kind of outside noise. And as you can see, my hair doesn't move, which it won't anyways because of all the gel. But anyways, beautiful car. I'm really glad you guys came and look at this. I really hope to earn your business, and I'll give you a call shortly. Thanks.